And we incorporated back in the early 80s and went and did other things, and and then we kind of left our corporation kind of when things got tough, and just we went down to one truck. And then in 2000 we started back in again and decided I had my son, he was getting into it, and he wanted to build a business, so we started building. And now I have a younger son that just retired from the Navy. He was a corpsman. He did his 20, and now he's back home and he's driving, and so here, hopefully, I'll get to walk away one of these days. I've been in a truck since '70. I put my time in.
Right. How many trucks are you running in the fleet?
We got 10 of them. We pull hoppers and we haul pet food ingredients. And we don't go very far, maybe a 100-mile radius of where we're out of. And Sabetha, you ever seen Keim Transportation, K-E-I-M? They're out of Sabetha. They're related. They probably run, they got trucks in Fort Dodge, Iowa, Sabetha, Kansas, but they probably run like 300 of them. Northeast Kansas is the trucking capital of Kansas. I mean, there's more trucks up there in that part of the country. But this is a 2016 Pete. It's a glider. That one there is a 2018. I just finished it. It's a glider.
Glider as well.
They come from Fitzgerald's. I ordered them through them, and we brought them home and put them together. Okay. Foley's Cattle in Topeka put the engine and everything in for me. It's a free E-log. I can go anywhere, paper log, both of them. So, in the wintertime, my son pulls a lot of stuff for a company called KSI, which build these belt conveyor augers out of Sabetha. He pulls seed treaters and stuff that they build up, in the wintertime. That's their big deal. In the wintertime is when they really start moving stuff around. But the rest of the time, we're pulling hoppers, serving the pet food industry. We run all Cornhusker hoppers, made in Lincoln. And these antique trucks, it's just, it's just a hobby. They was going to be unloaded, but they don't have a dock over here for a step deck. We thought they were supposed to have, but when we got down there, they didn't. This is a 61 Peterbilt. It was built in Alabama by a guy by the name of Phil Hatfield, and it's been around. It's only got like 80,000 miles on it since they built it. It was built around 92. And it's been around the country. A lot of people's had their hands on it. And I found it in Scotia, New York 3 years ago, and went and bought it and brought it home. And we tinker with it and play with it, take it to truck shows. Had it in Des Moines last year for the Antique Truck Show. And had it down here. I drove it down here last year. And got the same as the 74 cabover over there. 352 Peterbilt. Okay. It's got history too. A guy by the name of Dustin Lang, actually that was his truck and he built it, and I found it out in Pennsylvania and bought it and brought it back, and started cleaning it all up and stuff, and it's just just a hobby. It's a sickness. I come across that probably 2 years ago too. Okay. And before that I had a 77 that we had really redone. And we had a shop fire and lost it in the shop fire, and so we had to go find another one.